Assassin's Creed Rogue is currently experiencing significant compatibility issues with Windows 11, particularly following the 24H2 update. This section examines the technical causes and scope of these crashing problems. The primary issue affects players attempting to launch or play Assassin's Creed Rogue on systems running Windows 11, especially those updated to version 24H2. The fundamental issue stems from Assassin's Creed Rogue's older game engine struggling to maintain compatibility with Windows 11's newer architecture and security features. Users report three primary crash patterns: failures during the initial loading screen when starting a new game, black screens appearing after the Ubisoft Connect authentication process, and complete inability to launch new game sessions. Microsoft has acknowledged these compatibility issues and implemented a compatibility hold on devices with affected Ubisoft games installed. This preventive measure blocks the Windows 11 24H2 update from installing on systems where these games are detected. As of September 2025, Ubisoft has not released an official patch specifically addressing these Windows 11 compatibility issues. However, the gaming community has identified several temporary workarounds that may help affected players. When Assassin's Creed Rogue crashes on Windows 11, a systematic troubleshooting approach can resolve most issues. We will examine essential steps from basic system checks to advanced solutions. Begin with fundamental system checks. Ensure your computer meets the game's minimum requirements and update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a primary cause of game crashes and rendering conflicts. Graphics driver updates can be obtained through manufacturer software like NVIDIA GeForce Experience or Intel Driver Support Assistant. These tools automatically detect and install the latest compatible drivers for your system. After updating drivers, proceed to verify the integrity of your game files, as corrupted data is another common cause of crashes. File verification scans your game installation for corrupted or missing files and automatically repairs them. This process is available in both Steam and Ubisoft Connect platforms. In Steam, access the verification tool through the game's Properties menu under Local Files. In Ubisoft Connect, right-click the game and select Verify Files from the context menu. If file verification does not resolve the issue, compatibility mode settings may help the game run properly on Windows 11. Compatibility mode forces the game to run as if it were on an older Windows version. This can resolve conflicts between the game's older engine and Windows 11's updated architecture. Access compatibility settings by right-clicking the game executable, selecting Properties, and navigating to the Compatibility tab. Choose Windows 7 or Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Additionally, disabling overlay applications can prevent software conflicts that may cause crashes during gameplay. Overlay applications can interfere with game rendering and cause instability. Disable overlays from Steam, Ubisoft Connect, Discord, and graphics card software to eliminate potential conflicts. For persistent issues, advanced system-level troubleshooting may be required to address deeper compatibility problems. Advanced solutions target system-level issues. The System File Checker repairs corrupted Windows files, while reinstalling DirectX and Visual C++ ensures proper runtime libraries are available. Run the System File Checker from an elevated command prompt using the sfc scanout command. DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables can be downloaded from Microsoft's official website. If all previous steps fail to resolve the crashing issue, final resort options may be necessary. When all troubleshooting steps fail, reinstalling the game provides a clean installation. Contact Ubisoft support with detailed crash information, including system specifications and error messages, for personalized assistance. These systematic troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of Assassin's Creed Rogue crashes on Windows 11. Following this structured approach maximizes the likelihood of resolving compatibility issues.